The upheaval we faced over the past year has taught us so much about connection. Connection between businesses and customers, between colleagues, between families and their loved ones, and between people and their spaces. But despite the global and local upheaval, ArchiPro has worked hard to continue facilitating connections in the architecture and construction communities by helping people find trusted products and professionals for their building projects. We've never before experienced so many challenges to those connections, nor been more aware of just how much, as humans, those connections help us feel grounded and supported to achieve our goals.
Well, I'm looking at building a beach house. So tonight was about meeting some architects, meeting some builders, and then just generally looking at products.
It was just amazing being able to see these designers and buildings come to life using all these materials that we had no idea existed.
Basically, we're just wanting to know what's out there, the finer details, looking at all of the taps and everything. It was great.
We're committed to our goal of improving the quality of life for the 7 million people who will call New Zealand home over the next 50 years. By ensuring that the process of designing and building a home is as simple and as straightforward as possible, and by connecting homeowners with the people who will help them realise their design and build goals.
Now I've just looked at tonight at the amazing 3D concrete printing, and I'm just blown away by what I've seen.
We don't want to go cheap, we don't want to go too expensive, but we want to know what's in the middle so that we can do it great, basically.
Events such as the Meet, Greet and Eat are starting conversations between businesses in the industry, as well as between professionals, product suppliers and their future clients.
And generally most of the things on ArchiPro are like quite good quality, so that's quite good, that I don't really get exposure to sort of that high-end sort of product. Think, oh, wow, there's a whole lot of options that you could do. I hadn't thought of that you could do that.
Suppliers that I never even heard of, or there's wood, but then there's not wood that looks like wood. Basically, it's just opened my eyes to products I didn't know were possible.
There's always that little thing that brings you here that you won't find by searching on Google, and I think that's the network and the person that you meet here. That's what makes the difference.
This home is our forever home. We will know where each of these feature walls and each of these floors and each of these ceilings have come from. That's a home that we are putting our heart and soul into.
Through ArchiPro, those who are on a building or renovation journey can start to imagine how they might create their dream home. ArchiPro professionals are right there alongside their clients. They are the ones with not only a wealth of knowledge and ideas, but the enthusiasm and the passion to bring good design and great architecture to their clients, to facilitate the manifestation of the spaces that bring connection to their lives.